Making money while you sleep is great. These are my top 5 passive income plays of November of 2022. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel. From the most degen risky plays, to blue chips, to the low market cap gems, which I really like to cover during a bear market. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like below. I'd appreciate it. Now let's get into my top 5 passive income plays for November of 2022. Coming in at number 5 is Horde. Horde has been a staple on this channel, especially in the top 5 passive income plays. It's still doing very well. They have come out with a few different things, like they've come out with the trading bot NFTs, the Z NFTs. I did pick one of those up myself. Also, they did make some changes to the reward system. Now, if you do claim once, they call it mutation, and your reward will go from 1% daily down to 0.5% daily. I have not claimed any tokens since they announced this, so I'm still getting the 1% on my single plot that I have. I don't plan on claiming. I think I'm just going to let it go to the 136 days and claim all my rewards at once. And I'll just make a decision whether or not I want to buy another plot or not with the rewards. Take a quick look at my NFT, my trading bot NFT. I think mine's pretty rare. It's got a rarity score of 36, which I think is really good actually. So I get 0.068% of the pool for the trading bots. That's Horde coming in at number 5. It would be higher on the list if they kept it at the 1%, but I completely understand why they moved it to the 0.5% after you claim, for sustainability reasons. Seems like Horde is always working on something new. The game is going to be released pretty soon. They're always looking for new ways to make the protocol more sustainable, which is definitely good in my opinion. Coming in at number 4 is Dex Finance. Dex Finance has been doing really well. The vaults are what I'm really interested in this project now. The Dex vault I'm in is the fixed US, the conservative vault, low risk level. You're getting 49.69% APY, 0.11% daily. And the price of US Dex, which is a huge 90% of your pool for the conservative pool, is steady around $1.05 to $1.07. It's been like that. This is a 4-hour chart. This is going back to the beginning of October. It's rarely gone under there. One time it went down to about $1.03, but otherwise it's been steady between $1.04 and $1.06 to $1.07. All month of October. So I'm a big fan of Dex Finance. I have been since the beginning, and it definitely deserves the number 4 spot. It could have gone a little higher, but if you see these next 3 projects, how much they're printing out, you'll see what I mean, why it's number 4 in the top 5. Coming in at number 3 is Optimus Money. Optimus has been printing out 1% daily, just like they say in the white paper. 0 fees, which is different than any other protocol. And then the daily income is paid directly to your wallet. So if we look at the chart for Optimus, it's just straight across, basically $1.55-ish, up and down with the sells and buys. And they do have a trading bot that buys and sells to keep it in this range. Okay, I do have some notes on the trading bots, that there's 7 bots trading wrapped OPT. That would be on the MEXC exchange, and that's accumulating USDT. Also, they have leverage bots on Bybit that are trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, and Cardano. And that's to accumulate more of those tokens, to accumulate a portfolio of those blue chips. And with that portfolio, if they ever needed to liquidate that to keep the floor price of OPT3 where it needs to be, then they would liquidate those assets. They also plan to grow that portfolio just to have more backing for the token in the future. Optimus has been super solid, and the one unique feature is the zero fees. A lot of projects you put your money in and you're waiting forever to get your initial fees back. So with this, you're in, you're at that price point, you're making 1% daily, and you're not worrying about getting back your initial fees or your withdrawal fees. So that's definitely unique to Optimus. There's not really any other protocols I can think of that have a zero fee structure like it. And on to number 2. My number 2 passive income project is Furio. Furio has been holding steady. Token itself is between 545 and 555. There's multiple options for you to stake. You could do the Fear Vault, which is what most people are doing. You get back 1.75%, and after 28 days, then you go up to 2.5%. You go up to 2.5% only if you do not take profits, if you do not claim any tokens. If you continue to compound, that's when you go to 2.5%. One of my wallets is at 1.75, the other one's at 2.5. I plan on compounding until I get max wallet on both of them. I also think the Fear pool is underrated still. There's only 812 stakers in it, getting an average of 152% APR. I do understand the fees make it so you have to stay in the pool for a pretty long time to get back your initial fees and your withdrawal fees. But I figure I'm at least going to be in here for 90 days. So I'm definitely going to get my initial fees back, plus my withdrawal fees, plus a nice chunk of USDC when I leave the pool. So that's Furio, and Furio is my number 2 passive income project. Okay, the number 1 project is MDB, Make DeFi Better, also known as $1 Million Baby. I picked this one. The top 3, you could probably switch them around in any order, but I picked this one because of the number of different types of ways to make passive income. There's multiple ways. You can hold the MDB token, you could stake the MDB token, you could buy MDB Plus, and then the price of MDB Plus goes up. You can buy Infinity, and you can stake Infinity and earn 52% APR and paid out in MDB tokens. You can farm the MDB BNB farm, which is over 140% APY. There's just multiple ways to earn passive income. So that's why I chose it for number 1. And what am I doing? I'm doing pretty much all of the above, with the final goal being to accumulate the most MDB possible. That is what I'm trying to do. I do have some Infinity, which I'm staking to get more MDB. And I also have some MDB BNB pool tokens that I'm farming as well. So my end goal is to get as many MDB tokens as possible. They are always burning tokens. If we look at the total burnt is 158.5 million tokens. So pretty soon we're going up to almost 1/5 of the supply. It would be 200, yeah, because there's 1 billion total tokens. So it's just very deflationary. So the more people get in, the higher the price goes. And I'm just trying to accumulate as much MDB as possible. If we take a look at the chart, MDB is at about a penny and a half, 1.47 cents. And then MDB Plus is definitely a very conservative play. It's been going up slowly but surely. Let's see, from the beginning of June to you're at $1.10, on up to right now it's at $1.18. So since from June to November, it's gone up 8 cents. So in my opinion, just because the amount of different types of ways that you can make passive income, the MDB ecosystem is number one in my opinion. You can do it, multiple ways. Some are riskier than others, but at the end of the day, in my opinion, the strategy is to accumulate the most MDB possible in the long run. I think next bull run that this token will do very, very well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.